The episode starts with woman asking her husband, "Do you forget me or family when you go to work? You work for the family. How can you ask me to leave? I want to share the family responsibility by doing work." She cries. Her husband wipes her tears. He consoles her. He asks her to go and work. Progress. Devi Ahilya smiles. Gunuji comes to meet Dhanaji. Dhanaji says, "I am fed up running away. I want to take some rest now. I am scared that Malhar Sarkar soldiers will kill me." Gunuji says, "It would not happen." He shows Khande Rao's plan to Dhanaji. He asks him to take the plan to Mirmani Khan. Dhanaji says, "Now Khande Rao and Malhar Sarkar's pride will end." The other woman cries and asks her husband for permission. The man agrees and asks her to go to work. The other couples also discuss. The lady says, "My husband is no more. I will work with you. What shall I do at home when I have no work? I want to do something for the Rajya," she cries. Devi Ahilya also cries and holds her hands. Girdhar goes to Gunuji. He says, "I cannot believe that Devi Ahilya has convinced the man." Gunuji says, "Whatever will happen now will waste all her efforts. Devi Ahilya's smartness will get destruction for them." Devi Ahilya comes home. She hugs her Kubai. She says, "The women have agreed to work for us. Even their husbands have agreed." Her Kubai says, "Amazing. Congrats. You did a miracle." Devi Ahilya says, "No, it's not my victory. It's a win for entire Malwa. I want to give this news to Yuvraj Khande Rao." Her Kubai says he would be in Shastrashala. He is busy. Devi Ahilya asks why. Her Kubai says he is going on a mission to attack Mirmani Khan. Dhanaji meets Mirmani Khan. He says, "Khande Rao has made a good plan to kill me, but he cannot succeed in his plan." Dhanaji smiles. Yuvraj Khande Rao asks the soldiers to be quick and active. Devi Ahilya comes. Yuvraj Khande Rao sends them away. He says, "Congrats, you have won." She asks, "How do you get to know?" He says, "I also learnt everything from Malhar Sarkar." "I know everything." She says, "It means I am not a good student. I could not learn this. You have to go tonight for the mission." He asks, "What happened to you? You never do this. It's not good to leave the work midway." She says, "I feel restless." He says, "You should do my aarti and send me for the mission. But I am glad to see your worry for me, that you love me so much." She says, "I am worried and you are joking." He says, "Don't worry, I will win and come even this time. I have to keep my responsibility well. We both will win in our work and Malhar Sarkar will be proud of us." She nods and smiles. Tukoji tells everything to Malhar Sarkar. He praises Devi Ahilya. Malhar Sarkar smiles. He thanks Shiv Sambhu for making him decide to get Devi Ahilya as his Sunbai. He blesses Devi Ahilya. He asks, "When will the work start?" Tukoji says, "From tomorrow. I have called some special artists to train them." Malhar Sarkar pats Tukoji's shoulder and praises his efforts. Devi Ahilya does Khande Rao's Aarti. Rakmabai says, "You have won a big miss, but no one cares. You just be with Devi Ahilya's textile production." Tukoji says, "I am proud to be a part of this big leap. It will help Malwa a lot." Malhar Sarkar and Gotama Rani Sahib bless Khande Rao to win. Gunuji says this time Yuvraj Khande Rao will not win but die.